Clearly pitiable conditions of the children there at the Muzaffarnagar camps. For more on this, we are now joined by Pankaj Upadhyay from Muzaffarnagar. Pankaj, the Uttar Pradesh government has admitted that 34 children have died in Muzaffarnagar camps due to biting cold, and they are doing what they can to provide relief. Clearly, these are just mere tall promises and no action has been taken by the government so far.
True, it's very unfortunate that the UP government does not realize its responsibilities. There were two relief camps, one in Loi, which is around 45 kilometers from Muzaffarnagar city, and Shahpur, which is around 25 kilometers from Muzaffarnagar city. Both these camps were visited by Headlines Today last night. And let me tell you, both these villages and the relief camps constitute somewhere around 1,500 victims, and they are living in trying circumstances. What the biggest problem here that I have noticed is there is no organization worth the name. So even as some private organization or the NGOs are coming in with certain relief, now because of the lack of administrative officials and the machinery there, it is the outside people who are grabbing that relief and selling it off in the market. So the needy ones, the people who are sick, they are not getting the relief. Last night itself, I had a word with the district magistrate, Mr. Kaushal Kishore. And he maintained that the private organizations and the NGOs do not inform the local administration as to when they are coming, and that is why the chaos is reigning. So their excuses are absolutely ready, but these excuses are not helping the riot victims at all. Yes, more than 30 kids have died, but let us also understand we have the officials, highest officials, who have also gone on record saying that no one dies of cold. Perhaps those officials and the government machinery should visit these areas and see how people are surviving in the biting December winter chill.
Right there, Pankaj Upadhyay from Muzaffarnagar reporting on the pitiable conditions of the people and children living there in the Muzaffarnagar relief camps. Now, from the rubble of communal hatred, a heartwarming story of humanity has emerged in a district torn by communal violence. In relief camps of Loi village in Muzaffarnagar, a 5-year-old orphan boy, Sarik, has been adopted by the villager living in these camps. A person named Shamshad has adopted this boy who was found wailing at the peak of the riots. Sarik doesn't remember the name of his parents or anything associated with them. Shamshad says that Sarik has 4 identification points, and if anyone who knows the parents or the relatives of this boy should come and claim him. And if not, then he is very happy to feed him and raise him as his own. When people residing in these camps have been struggling to make both ends meet, this act of kindness and compassion exhibits the spirit of these people who have been robbed of their homes and peace.
तकरीबन 4 महीने हो गए केराने बाजार में ये रोता फिर रहा था, मैं जा रहा था और एक दोस्त था, तो हमने देखा, फिर पूछताछ भी करी, इसकी पकड़ा, इसे सारे में घुमाया, किसी ने हंगा नहीं है, फिर मैं लेके यहाँ आ गया। जी बहुत अपनापन है, मैं अपने बेटे से ज्यादा जो मैंने गोद ले रखा नहीं अपने भतीजे को, उससे ज्यादा इसे चाहूंगा।
At a time when politics has failed these people, humanity has kept them together. Whether young Sarik will find his family members or not is a big question. But then here in the relief camp, he's found a new world full of care and no deceit. With camera person Shakil Ahmed, this is Pankaj Upadhyay in village Loi, Muzaffarnagar for Headlines Today.